Hello everyone, this is Monica Lakoju. Welcome to the channel The UPSC Mascot. In our Indian economy series, in this session, we are going to deal with the sustainable development and climate change. Let's start our session. What is sustainable development? It is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. So, sustainable development is an approach to the economic development. It attempts to foster the economic growth while preserving the quality of the environment for future generations. So, the sustainable development, it is a global terminology which is being used to address the global issues of the global warming, environmental aspects, increased global pollution and ecological imbalances. So what are the examples of sustainable development? Using recycled materials or renewable resources when building, or building a new community in a previously undeveloped areas without destroying the ecosystem or harming the environment. So sustainability was the focus of the 1992 Earth Summit and later was central to a multitude of environmental studies. So remember that the focus of the 1992 Earth Summit was sustainability. And the sustained and inclusive economic growth can drive progress, create employment opportunities to all, and improve the living standards. So, despite its enormous popularity, the concept of the sustainable development proved difficult to apply in many cases, primarily because the results of the long-term sustainability analysis depends on the particular resources focused upon. For example, a forest can provide the sustainable yield of the timber. In perpetuity, it may not support the native bird population, and a mineral deposit that will eventually be exhausted may nevertheless support more or less sustainable. So, there is a conference regarding the sustainable development, that is the 25th session of the Conference of Parties in 2019. So, COP25, it was held in Madrid in Spain, that is in December 2019. So, this conference included the meeting of three governing bodies of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC. So, who are those three governing bodies? One is the CPM, that is the Conference of Parties, serving as meeting of the parties to the Kyoto Protocol. And the second governing body is the Paris Agreement. And the third one is the 55th session of the subsidiary bodies for scientific and technological advice and implementation. So, India and COP25 2019 to 20 here. So, these are three governing bodies of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. These three governing bodies has included in this conference, which was held in Madrid, Spain in December 2019. So, India and COP25, that is from 2019 to 2020, under United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, Madrid, India, emphasized the transition of the Clean Development Mechanism, that is CDM. So, it is credits earned under the Kyoto Protocol to the Paris Agreement. So, to achieve the sustainable development, there are the 17 sustainable developmental goals has been integrated. So, what is meant by the sustainable developmental goals? To achieve the sustainable development, these are the global goals which were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 as a universal call to end poverty, protect the planet, and to that all people enjoy the peace and prosperity by 2030. So, there are the 17 sustainable developmental goals which were integrated. So, the first goal number 1 is no poverty. So, eradication of poverty in all its forms everywhere. And the goal number 2 is zero hunger. End of hunger by achieving the food security and improved nutrition, good health and well-being for people. So ensure healthy lives for all. And the fourth one is the quality education. Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education for all. And the gender equality. So achieve gender equality and women empowerment. Clean water and sanitation. Ensure sustainable water management and sanitation for all. And affordable and clean energy. So ensure access to sustainable and modern energy for all. Decent work and economic growth. So promote sustainable economic growth and decent work for all. And the ninth one is industry, innovation and infrastructure. 10th one is the reducing inequalities. So reduce the income inequality from all segments. Sustainable cities and communities. Responsible consumption and production. And the 13th one is the climate action. So to take urgent action to combat the climate change and the developments in renewable energy. And the 14th one is life below water. So that means conserve and the sustainably use the oceans, seas and marine resources. 15th one is life on land. So protect the terrestrial ecosystems, manage forests, combat desertification, reverse the land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. And the 16th one is the peace, justice and strong institutions. That means promote peaceful societies, so provide access to justice and build effective institutions. And the 17th one is the partnerships for the goals. That means, so partnership for the goals. Strengthen the global partnership for sustainable development. So these are the 17 SDGs. So 17 sustainable developmental goals which are integrated to achieve the sustainable development. And next concept is the green GDP. So it is an index of the economic growth with the environmental consequences of that growth factored into a country's conventional GDP. So this green GDP, it refers to the National Accounting System. National Accounting System of the utilization of non-renewable natural resources of any country and is now being envisioned as a part of sustainable development. Here SD I have referred sustainable development. So it is an index of the economic growth with the environmental consequences of that growth factored into a country's conventional GDP. And the next we will move on to the climate financing. So it refers to the local, national or the transnational financing. That means drawing from the public financing or the private financing or alternate sources of the financing to that seeks to support mitigation and adaptation actions that will address the climate change. So here in this session we have discussed about this what is sustainable development and the sustainable developmental goals, the green GDP and the climate financing and conference of the parties, that is which was held in the Madrid, Spain in December 2019, and what are the governing bodies which have participated in this conference. So with this we have completed the topic of the sustainable development and climate change. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.